Hi, I'm Mack Dryden. This is my wife, Terri.
Hi.
And this is kind of what our whole house looked like until very recently. Terri got very passionate about painting, which quickly became a problem because we have limited space and she's a very organized person.
It was driving me crazy.
Well, she looked high and low for an organizer, but nothing seemed to fit her needs. So I ended up actually inventing something that, would you believe, will fit into this box and easily organize all of these canvases on one simple little, we think, amazing device. We call it the Dryden Art and Canvas Keeper. I designed it to be very easy to assemble. In fact, if you can pick up a paintbrush, you could put this thing together in no time. And I wanted to make it light and mobile, and of course, able to organize an entire room full of canvases on one little thing.
Okay, let's fill her up.
Voila! That's a dozen gallery-sized canvases, and as you can see, the only height limitation is the height of your ceiling. Of course, you can roll it around anywhere you want it to be in the room, but what if you like to work with studio-sized canvases?
The Canvas Keeper holds them perfectly. And it's not just for canvases. I use it to hold all kinds of art supplies. I honestly can't imagine how I lived without it.
You'll be amazed at how mobile the floor model is and how easy it is to move a whole collection of canvases. Need to get your canvases into a smaller space? No problem. Just loosen 3 little screws, remove the handle, and slide it under a table or into a closet.
I really love how it frees up my studio space but keeps my work handy. Other artists go crazy over it. What is that? Where can I get one?
After a while, it occurred to me that a more compact version might be handy too, so I came up with the table model. It handles smaller canvases very conveniently and fits just about anywhere.
It's on the front seat of my car a lot.
Then one day I was passing her studio and I noticed that she had it balanced on some sketch pads and books, and I had another idea that I thought she'd like, a way to take it off the table, put it on the wall.
Now I can't live without it. It's great.
So if canvases are stacked all over your house and driving you crazy, the Dryden Art and Canvas Keeper is for you.
And the best place on earth to get it is right here at Jerry's Artarama.
So go to one of many Jerry's locations and check it out for yourself, or just order online right here and get it delivered directly to your door.
Believe me, you'll wonder how in the world you ever got by without one.
Thanks for listening. Bye-bye.
Bye.